If you're a tech enthusiast, then you need to know how drones are revolutionizing our skies. Let's get started. Drones, or UAVs, are flying high with advanced tech. Made from lightweight composite materials, these wonders boast infrared cameras, GPS, and even lasers. Controlled from the ground, drones come in all shapes and sizes. The largest ones, like the Predator, serve military purposes. Mid-sized fixed-wing drones cover vast lands, aiding in everything from surveying to wildlife protection. And then we have VTOLs like the DJI Mavic Air 2, which can take off and land vertically, even from the palm of your hand. But how do they work? When powered on, drones use GNSS satellites for navigation, ensuring precise flights with GPS and GLONASS. The latest models, like the Mavic Air 2, feature collision avoidance systems that create 3D maps to dodge obstacles. So next time you see a drone, remember, there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. Happy flying!